Do you think beetroot can help detox your liver? We had to take a deep dive in. Beetroot contains bioactive compounds such as betanin. These compounds have been shown to help with liver detox. Let me tell you what it really does. Beetroot helps the liver protect against oxidative stress and neutralize those reactive metabolites. However, these findings are seen in lab models only. There's no such evidence from large-scale clinical trials that we need. A recent study showed that if you use beetroot, you can have possible health benefits like increased nitrate intake. That means your blood pressure decreases and your body gets more oxygen and nutrients. But this does not mean that there is robust evidence for liver detox. So no, beetroot is not a magic food for liver detox. Follow Healthy Info for more no-nonsense health tips. We got you.